Hey you guys, what's up? Today I'm making some jerk lamb chop shoulders with fried plantains. I used all these seasonings in my recipe. Use some fresh lime, soy sauce, ground cinnamon, nutmeg, pepper, thyme, allspice season. I cut up some scotch bonnet peppers, garlic, and onions. These are so hot and spicy because I like my food very spicy. I put some soy sauce in there too, some olive oil, some apple cider vinegar. I put some brown sugar to give it some more taste. Then I grind it all up in my NutriBullet. Grind it. So it's like some type of thick paste. Then I put it on my lamb chops that were seasoned well before with all those seasons before. Then I let this marinate for a little bit. Then for a few hours to the next day. Then I put it in the oven and I bake it for probably 45 minutes on 375 degrees. But look at it, y'all. Look at the marinade. It looks so freaking good. And then after that, I baked it like I told you guys. Came out looking good. Looking good. Then I cut up some of my vegetables I'm going to fry. I used the broth from my baked lamb, and fried these onions and some of these yellow peppers. It was smelling so good, y'all. Then I have my fried plantains. Y'all know y'all girl loves fried plantains, okay? Okay. And then I fried these. Oh, so yummy, so perfect, so sweet. Pretty like me. They look so good, you guys. I wish you guys could taste it. Then I've added everything together, put my vegetables on top of the lamb chops. And they're smelling so good. Then just plated my plate with some spinach, some lamb chops, and fried plantains. I hope you guys love this recipe. Follow me on TikTok.